Well, I hope you all have enjoyed watching our channel, and thanks for everybody that has been. Usually I've been putting things in order as they happen. Well, I'm going to jump ahead a couple years on this one and show you that hunting and fishing is really not the only thing we enjoy. We had a ball putting this together, but you got to watch this to the end, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Thank y'all for viewing. Speaking of memories of a lifetime, we got some more wild and crazy things coming up.
We hope y'all enjoy getting up a tree with us. We're still hunting some of the same areas where deer are hunted from August 15th to January 1st.
Think we catch anything this time?
I hope so.
Let's get on it. This deer knew something wasn't right. Years of hunting pressure seems to have educated him. With good camouflage and sitting still, we got away with it this time.
I couldn't stand it. I was afraid she's gonna blow and mess us up.
I was wondering if you would be able to draw on that one or not. You made a good shot, so you didn't go real far.
No, already?
Already.
Oh, man. Good God. You got there, Billy?
I got me a big one.
Oh,
Look at that.
good God. Alright. Man, I want to catch one.
This one trying to lose anyway.
On this next buck, I drew the first opportunity I had. It was pretty wild. I was drawing before Billy even got the camera on. That deer come up so quick. Man, that's exciting.
Okay, you see what it was. What was it?
It's a 4-point or spot, big cow. We know it fell. It fell right there. I'm good. You ready, Bill?
Well, I don't know.
Mosquito.
You get down there and you let me know if the mosquitoes are worse or just as bad.
They're real bad. Oh, it's getting late. It's late, isn't it? Hey.
It wasn't late when he came up.
Broke my arrow, Uncle Bill. Tell you what, we're just gonna have to sling some arrows. I like that bow. I'm ready. Let's go do it again in the morning. I like those short tracking jobs, especially when it's late.
Yeah, this next one was late in the morning, and this is the way I really like to track them. You're supposed to run, Bob.
What happened?
Them Muzzy broadheads done the trick.
I shot a little hide. We can't train the dog if we drop him like that, son.
Good job. I got on him about shooting. Boy, he's really straight now. He's doing good. Last couple.
I wish that dragging job would have been as easy as that tracking job on that last deer.
Yeah, me too.
Bill and I live 4 hours apart. He had told me about some of the problems he had had with some of his shooters.
Bobby and I have hunted together for so long, we know what to expect out of each other. I'm glad I grunted.
She fell right there. I saw her go on. Bill, man, that was neat.
I didn't think it'd ever come up. I mean, just stay there and stay there.
That was wild.
Well, this looks kind of familiar.
Bill, didn't go far, but it's thick. Nice little day.
What'd you do to your arrow?
It broke my arrow. Carry my butt. Oh, pin bottom that. Woo, Bill.
Oh man, look at that one. Oh. Stay away from the boat. There you go.
Oh, that's a little fish. I thought that was a nice one.
Well,
Hey, Bill.
good job, Bob.
That's pretty wild.
He was behind that tree. I couldn't hardly see him that good.
Oh, really?
I could see his front shoulder.
I drew he was walking sideways and he turned and walked right to us and I had to wait till he turned and I was in full draw.
Did you hit him, Bob?
I hit him, did he? I shot between two trees that far apart. Man.
All I could see was his shoulders. I couldn't tell what you're shooting at.
Oh, you couldn't see his chest?
Uh-uh.
His head was behind the tree and I had a perfect shot. I said, I better do it now.
Where'd you hit him?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Must look good. What's your other one look like? Well, go down there and help him. We got to be cleaning deer for a while. We got one last night. We let it hung. Okay, I'm right behind you. How far are we going?
Well, we've gone about 25 yards and on that buck, the cow horn. I think we're doing a little bit.
Yeah, 4 point.
A little 4 point. Yeah.
Yeah.
Appreciate that, bud. All right.
Let's go get the other
Let's go
one.
get the other one. All right. Hey, this is wild, man. We've been shooting in the afternoon. We've been shooting a bunch of deer. I guess y'all can figure that out. We're trying to thin these things out a little bit. But we ain't got to track any. The two that I shot in the morning besides these two, remember, they fell right there.
Yeah.
And in the evenings, it's late. We can't get it on film. This is the fun part. I like this part. This is exciting. It's just, but we got a good idea this deer's laying here. We heard him fall. That briar about put me in the face. Man.
Well, that's a nice one.
We got some briars around here. There he is, but
Well, it is. There couldn't be too much far.
not very good. Nice little spot.
Yeah.
Shoot about 4 more if we feel like we're thinning these out a little bit.
About 4 more?
About 4 more. Well, we got 3 more days.
Yeah, we got 3 more days. We'll see what happens. It's been good so far.
It's been great. Bill said the deer's moving good. It got cold. It's cool this morning. My toes got a little chilly.
We got 3 deer to clean.
I know, let's go.
No, excuse me, you do.
Me? I'm about to die. Have you ever had to tote 2 turkeys at one time?
I think I have.
Matter of fact, yeah.
Matter of fact.
Yeah, I think I remember that.
And wait a minute, man. I even had to clean them turkeys by myself too.
We still got one from last night to clean. Man. And plus, we got about a half a mile down this road. Bill, please. Uncle Bill.
All right, well, I don't see it dragging right now. I don't see how you can do this.
I don't know. I'll try to put it on my hip. I can't, they won't go over my shoulders. You gonna carry my bow for me?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Hey.
I got another bite, Bob.
Oh, you gotta hold that thing. Oh, don't let him wet me.
Whoa.
Don't let him wet me. You let him get the anchor rope.
I got it.
Fall in.
Wait a minute. I got it. Whoa.
Oh man, I was sitting there watching you. One tore me up.
You know you went out on your promise. You were supposed to drag anything out that you caught.
I did. I dragged him to the logging rope. I want you to look at this. Look.
A brim.
A brim. A brim on a worm. Well, I tell you what was the wildest thing about the whole deal. I don't think you wanted to carry a bow that far. The only reason you drove your truck in there.
Well, that was nice, just like this one.
That's a nice one.
And this next hunt, time was winding down. It was the last day. It had been raining, and we were just lucky to be able to get in the woods.
Showered all afternoon. Bill said, let's go. I said, let's wait and see what it does. He said, nah, I know where he's at. This little buck come in there so fast. The shot was kind of crazy because it happened quick and it's getting late.
It's great shots this year. You're about the only one I didn't get to pick on.
You picked on me enough. I'm just glad you finally caught some fish.
I had a ball. It's been fun. Well, Bobby, you know, I've always enjoyed putting these videos together. But I believe it's time for a vacation. As soon as we hit the bank, let's go to Myrtle Beach.
Somewhere from the mountains down to the sea, under the tall pines and the old oak tree, Bill and Bobby all out at daylight, hunting and fishing is what they like. This time of morning, before the sun's too high, the hunting is good and the fishing is right. You can hear turkey gobble that gold buck running through the bushes. There's a big old buck, and down by the marshland might see a duck, and out on the river the fish are gonna bite. Carolina, 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 man, ain't this the life? Mamas and daddies, take your daughters and sons, show them the outdoors for everyone. Try your best to teach them, never take too much. That way for the rest of us, there'll always be enough. They can hear turkey gobble, cackle and bell. Running through the bushes, there's a big old buck. And down by the marshland, you might see a duck. And out on the river, the fish are gonna bite. Carolina, 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 man, ain't this the life? You can hear the turkey